In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect an Excel file stored on OneDrive to Glide. As you can see, I have this Excel file saved on my OneDrive, and I want to integrate it into my Glide app. This process is simple and straightforward if you follow the steps carefully. First, if you are creating a new app and want to start with the data in your Excel file, click on the New App option and scroll down on this window. Here you will see the Excel Online option. Select it and then click Continue. Next, you will see a library drop-down menu. Click on it and select Add Microsoft Account, which refers to your OneDrive account. Enter your OneDrive email address, confirm it, and sign in. If you are already signed in on this browser, your account will appear automatically, so you can just select it. You will then be asked to grant certain permissions. Click Accept, and your Microsoft account will now be connected. From here, select your OneDrive library, navigate to the folder where your Excel file is stored, and select the file, click Create App, and then Continue. Once the app is created, go to the Data section to view all the data imported from your Excel file. If you are already in the middle of building your app and want to add an Excel file, you can do so by clicking the plus icon in the Table section, while in the Data tab, select the Excel option and follow the same process of connecting your OneDrive account and selecting your file. This way, you can easily add data to an existing app without starting over. And this is how you can connect Excel on OneDrive to Glide.